Hello. Happy birthday po, Tito Japting. Salamat po sa pagsundo po sa akin.
Hi Kuya Job, happy birthday. I pray na maabot mo yung pangarap mo sa buong family mo, kay Kalor, pati kay Des. And I pray na mas bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay at good health. Happy birthday Kuya Job.
Happy birthday, Kuya Job. God bless you. Ang mga pagpalain naman ng buong family. At masaya ka palagi. At
Tuloy mo na.
ayun. Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto. Nakainan take na kami. Tama na. God bless.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday pa tayo. Sing pa tayo.
Sanda pa tayo? Happy birthday.
Birthday to you. You belong to this. Okay ba? Yeah, like a dime. Never really at this. Sorry.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Job.
Happy birthday, Kuya. God bless.
Happy birthday, Job. Continue to delight in the Lord, and He will give you the desire of your heart. So, continue to serve Him, at naway magpatuloy ka at makabalik ka ulit sa ministry. Yun lang.
Okay, tutok. Happy birthday, Job. Sana bigyan ka pa ni Lord ng mahabang buhay para sa iyong pamilya. Ayun, more birthdays to come. God bless.
And more blessings to come.
Yes, more blessings to come.
Tatay, happy birthday. I love you so much. Thank you for taking care of me. Peace.
Tatay, happy birthday. Mahal na mahal ka namin. Stay healthy and thank you sa lahat ng sacrifices. We really appreciate it. Love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Job.
Happiest birthday Kuya Job. I just pray and we hope talaga na makasama ka namin sa ministry very soon. And yun lang po. God bless you.
Hello, Job. Happy birthday. Praying and declare na pagpalain ka ng Panginoon. At itong taon na to ay mapuno na maraming mga surprises from heaven. And I pray na malakaran mo kung ano ang calling ng Lord sa buhay mo. Enjoy your birthday and have a blessed celebration. God bless.